friends, welcome back to my channel. And look at this really cute alpaca, and they're so fluffy and also chubby. I can't believe I can stay close to alpaca and also can touch it. By the way, my favorite animal is alpaca too. The guard asked me to pull the alpaca by myself, but the alpaca is so heavy, so I have to pull it hard. Look at that, it's so hard to pull this alpaca. It's so heavy, right? I want to take a picture with these alpacas, but I think they're not ready yet. I really want to hug them tight because they're so fluffy and cute. It's time to turn alpacas back to their cage. It's time to say goodbye. Bye, cutie alpacas. I'm gonna visit you soon. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. See you on the next activities.